In this video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of turmeric to help assist clearing your psoriasis. In addition to spirulina and cleansing procedures, turmeric is also a very important part of the anti-inflammatory process. You need to get your body in shape to clear your psoriasis completely. Now, turmeric, here it is there. It's spelled T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C. T-U-R-M-E-R-I-C. It's pronounced turmeric. The company I recommend is called Natco. The actual quality is very good, as you can see from the color, right? And in Indian cooking, that is used just about every day, right? The problem is if you overcook it too much, right, you will destroy the benefits of it. I personally like to use it in a blender, right, or a smoothie, where you put about a tablespoon of it in your smoothie with spirulina and goat's milk and so on and so on. Now, turmeric is incredibly powerful as a cleanser of the blood. Okay, now we've found over 45, 50 years of experience that a lot of people who eat a lot of red meat, right, the meat doesn't break down. It takes 92 hours to break down. So by cutting back the red meat to once a month or more, and using a tablespoon of turmeric in your food on a daily basis, it does help to clear your blood. And when you clear your blood, the toxicity level drops, and that can help you with your psoriasis. Okay. Now, we recommend get a good quality brand like this one. The company's called Natco turmeric powder. Okay. You put that in now, what I would recommend to make it really effective, you get a blender like, for example, what I call a turmeric, an RX like blender. Okay, it's called NutriBullet. Now, what you do, you put 1 cup of goat's milk in it, 1 cup of coconut water, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of spirulina, and 1 teaspoon of sal de garon. Now, if you do that 2 or 3 times a day for a month, that will help tremendously in relieving the symptoms of psoriasis. Now, we advise you to actually go to the YouTube channel, and this is a book we wrote about how we helped a lady cure psoriasis that was 45 years old. Now, there's before and after photos. That's on the website, the YouTube channel. And then go there, subscribe to it, and get the information, and then consult us, and we'll show you how to use turmeric and other important food supplements to clear your psoriasis.